How to fix Android can't remove or uninstall app. So if you want to fix Android can't remove or uninstall app, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. So whenever I want to uninstall, it says can't uninstall or can't install, right? Because it might be set as an administrative permission or admin permission and hence cannot be installed easily. This is usually the case with antivirus app lock and other apps that have been granted device administrator permission by you. To remove such apps, you need to revoke administrative permissions using the steps. First, you need to open up your settings on your Android device, then type in the admin, go with the search, which is on the top right, and then you need to search for admin. And here you will have device admin permissions. So just simply tap on it and you will have the list of apps under your device admin permissions. So here in my case, I have two apps, which is Outlook and Find My Device, right? So if you have turned on the device admin permissions, then you just need to simply go with deactivate this device admin permission or admin app. Once you've deactivated, then you can go and uninstall the application and you'll be able to uninstall it. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.